Sri Lankan Northern Railway rehabilitation working process. The tamping. This machine was doing tamping work. Tamping machine do the same job as stone blowers, restoring the line and level of track, but work in a slightly different way. They insert a large tools called tinnies into the ballast. The stones beneath the track and then force the tinnies together to move ballast under the sleepers. Tamping process to give a additional strength to the railway tracks. Next we see welding works in railway tracks. Welding work to joining the train tracks mainly doing by human resources. They also joining train tracks with concrete sleepers.